In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Add to Cart button text in Shopify step by step. Whether you want to customize your store's language, make your buttons more engaging, or simply match your brand style, this simple guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open Shopify dashboard and log in to your Shopify admin. Go to Online Store. Once you're there, expand the section and click on Themes. You'll now see your current theme displayed on the screen, so make sure you're working on the correct one. Next, look for the three horizontal dots next to your active theme and click on them. From the drop-down menu, select Edit Default Theme Content. This will take you to a page where you can customize the text that appears throughout your store, so follow along carefully. Now, on this page, look for the Products section and click on it. Inside this section, you'll find different product-related text options. Scroll until you see the Add to Cart text field. This is the exact text that appears on your product buttons. Here, simply change the Add to Cart text to whatever you like. For example, you can rename it to something like Add to Bag, Buy Now, or any custom phrase that fits your store's branding. Once you've entered the new text, double-check it to make sure everything looks correct. After that, all you need to do is click the Save button. That's it. Your new button text will now be updated across your store automatically, without needing any coding or extra setup. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can easily change the Add to Cart button name in Shopify and personalize your store in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.